Hi, welcome to NacFun Tutorials. In this video, we will learn about the Progress Report feature. To access your progress report, simply click on the Progress Report icon. The Progress Report section is divided into 4 tabs: Approved, Rejected, Pending, and Deleted. Let's look at each tab in detail. The Approved tab displays all activities that have been reviewed and approved by your teacher. Here, you will see an activity type filter with All selected by default. You can use this filter to view specific activity categories. Below that, you can select a start date and end date to filter records within a particular date range. In the listing, you will see the activity name, date and time of approval, activity type, points earned, teacher feedback, and a view entry button. You can click on teacher feedback to read the comments provided by your teacher. You can also click on view entry to see your uploaded entry, the activity instructions, points earned, and teacher feedback. Now, let's look at the Rejected tab. The Rejected tab displays activities that were reviewed but not approved. In the listing, you will see the activity name, date and time of review, activity type, teacher feedback, and a view entry button. Similar to the Approved tab, you can click on teacher feedback and view entry to review the feedback and your submitted entry. This helps you understand the feedback and improve your future uploads. Now, let's look at the Pending tab. The Pending tab contains activities that are currently awaiting teacher review. An activity type filter is available at the top with All selected by default. In the listing, you will see the activity name, time pending, activity type, and a view entry button. You can click on view entry to review your submitted entry. Last but not least, let's look at the Deleted tab. The Deleted tab displays activities that have been deleted by you before they were reviewed by a teacher. An activity type filter is available at the top with All selected by default. In the listing, you will see the activity name, date and time of deletion, and the activity type. There is no view entry button in this tab because the entry has already been deleted. That's how you can use the NacFun Progress Report feature to monitor your activity uploads, review teacher feedback, and track the points you earn across NacFun. Thank you for watching.